Does LG OLED TV have Bluetooth? Yes, LG OLED TVs have built-in Bluetooth, allowing users to connect wireless devices such as headphones, speakers, soundbars, keyboards, and game controllers. LG OLED TVs come with Bluetooth 5.0 or later, ensuring faster connections, better range, and improved audio quality. 1. How to enable Bluetooth on an LG OLED TV. Bluetooth is automatically enabled on LG OLED TVs, but you may need to pair a new device manually. Follow these steps. Step 1. Press the Settings button on your LG remote. Step 2. Navigate to All Settings, then Sound Out. Step 3. Select Bluetooth device list and turn on Bluetooth. Step 4. Choose your Bluetooth device from the list and confirm pairing. Once paired, your device will automatically connect the next time Bluetooth is enabled. 2. What Bluetooth devices can connect to an LG OLED TV? LG OLED TVs support various Bluetooth devices, including wireless headphones and earbuds, enjoy private listening without disturbing others, Bluetooth speakers and soundbars, enhance TV audio wirelessly, game controllers, connect PlayStation, Xbox, or third-party controllers for gaming, keyboards and mice, improve navigation and text input on the TV. Check your device's Bluetooth version for the best compatibility with LG OLED TVs. 3. Can you connect multiple Bluetooth devices at the same time? Yes, LG OLED TVs allow multiple Bluetooth connections, but with some limitations. Only one audio output device, headphones or speaker, can be active at a time. You can connect both a Bluetooth remote and another device simultaneously. LG's Bluetooth surround feature allows pairing of two LG Bluetooth speakers for stereo sound. For dual headphone support, consider using a Bluetooth transmitter with multi-point pairing. 4. How to fix Bluetooth connection issues on LG OLED TV. If your Bluetooth device won't connect, try these steps. Ensure the device is in pairing mode and near the TV. Restart the TV and the Bluetooth device to refresh the connection. Forget and repair the device in Settings, go to Bluetooth device list. Check for firmware updates on your LG OLED TV. If issues persist, make sure your device supports LG's Bluetooth version. 5. Is Bluetooth useful on LG OLED TVs? Yes, Bluetooth enhances wireless connectivity, making it easier to listen privately with wireless headphones, improve sound quality with Bluetooth speakers or soundbars, navigate easily using Bluetooth keyboards or controllers, enhance gaming with wireless controllers. LG OLED TVs have built-in Bluetooth, allowing easy pairing with wireless audio devices, gaming accessories, and smart remotes. Bluetooth improves convenience and enhances the overall user experience.